Do your goals align with who you actually are today? So what I mean by that is whoever you're trying to be, whoever you want to be in your business or in your life or whatever it is you're trying to do, your relationships, your friendships, if you're a parent, if you're a son, a daughter, or whatever you are, does yourself align with who you're trying to be? So I'm going to give you an example. If you're trying to be someone who is a successful leader, do you show up as a leader? Do you believe yourself inside you that you are a leader? If you ask the people around you, do people look to you or look at you like a leader? Now, it doesn't mean that you're not if they don't, but it means that you're not aligned with who you're trying to be or who you're trying to become. I'm just using leader as an example. It can be anything you want in life. If you're not actually aligned in yourself, in your mind, and in your heart, and in your actions, in the way you show up, in the way you think, in the way you act, in not just at work or not just at what you're supposed to be doing, but in every place in life. Do you live what you really, really want to be in your life? And this is a serious question that people need to step back and they need to ask themselves. Because one of the most common things I see when I start to coach people, when I start to work with clients, is an internal disconnect. So what they're doing out there in the world isn't who they want to be. So like they'll stay out late or go party at night, and they're not waking up early. They're not doing the activities that the people that they want to be like do. So look at people who you want to be like. Look at what they're doing in their life and deploy daily behavior to be who you really want to be. And act as that person. And if you act as that person, you show up as that person, you'll become that person. Thanks, everyone. I hope this helps you. If you need help to connect to yourself, I have the Formula EQ community. You can come and you can get live coaching with 2 coaches, myself and my business partner, Eldon Hassa, and we can help you to align with yourself. We can teach you the tips, we can teach you the tools, and we can teach you the things that you need to make that connection. Because if you're not at where you want to be, there's probably some sort of a disconnect. And if you can't see what it is, sometimes we need a mirror to look at what's happening around us and to be able to see everything that we can't see in the space that we're at today. So I encourage you, I support you to be the person that you want to be, to follow your dreams and show up as that person on the inside. And if you show up as that person on the inside, people will see it from the outside. Thanks. Take care. Have a great day. Check out formulaeq.com and come to our weekly live coaching, and I'll help you to get to where you want to be.